Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to search clothes on Google Photos. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in with your Google account. Now on the screen, you're gonna find photos from the phone and the photos that you've backed up. Now on the bottom of your screen you can find photos, memories, library and search option. Select the search option at the bottom right corner, then you're gonna see the search bar on the top of your screen. Tap on it, then type in clothes there, then tap on search. Then Google Photos is going to suggest you photos that Google Photos thinks is under category clothes. And guys, that's it. That's how you search clothes on Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.